InterContinental Saigon is a 5-star hotel by IHG chain. Located in the city center, just a few minutes from the famous landmarks. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to take you on a hotel room tour, including club lounge, food and beverage. InterContinental Saigon is centrally located in District 1. It is close to the Cathedral, Post Office, Saigon Opera House, as well as many shopping malls. There are two properties in this area. One is the InterContinental Saigon and another one is the InterContinental Residence. When entered to the hotel, there are two separated check-in areas for elite member and non-member, but you can check in any counter. As a Diamond Ambassador, I was upgraded to a classic club InterContinental room, which is higher floor. For the club lounge access, I get 1 year access from Milestone. Additionally, I get free breakfast, welcome drink voucher, and a credit from Ambassador. I had room number 1607 on the club floor. The room faces to the landmark building. The king-size bed is comfortable. There is a lounge chair with a workstation next to the window. There is a complimentary water bottle and a coffee tea machine. The closet is at the right side of the entrance. The bathroom has a separate walk-in shower and a bathtub. Here is the service hour at the Club InterContinental on the 19th floor. The afternoon tea started at 2:30 p.m. The food and service were great. Evening canapé and cocktails start at 5:30 to 7:30. They serve hot dish and various drinks. Our breakfast buffet is available at Market 39. Breakfast time is 6 to 10:30. They serve East and West breakfast buffet experience. I spent credit and drinks voucher at the lobby bar. The fitness center is well equipped with feature matching weight, treadmill, cycles, and many more. There is a 20-meter outdoor swimming pool which offers the cathedral views from third floor. Overall, InterContinental Saigon is well located, great hospitality, and nice services. Especially as the Club InterContinental service and food and beverage was great. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.